समय का है हिसाब। गुरु महाराज जी का जीवन चरित्र तो बड़ा आगाध है। गुरु महाराज जी का जीवन चरित्र बड़ा आगाध है।
Guru Maharaj's life is really great. For that we need hours to describe. There is so many things to talk about that even days will pass, it will not finish. I'll just tell you one particular point.
1998 की बात है।
It's 1998.
हमारे एक गुरु भाई अमेरिका में रहते हैं।
Our God brother,
रामदास प्रभु,
he lives in America. Ramdas Prabhu, he came in Delhi, and me and Madhapriya Prabhu, we were in Vrindavan in Gopinath Gaudiya Math. And he said that let's go and do some shopping for our Guru Maharaj Ji.
कथा तो मैं जैसे बताया घंटों घंटों चल सकती है।
As I said, Katha can go on for hours, but
उसके समय में बताता।
I'm just telling you the
रामदास
real.
प्रभु ने कहा, आप दिल्ली आ जाओ।
Ramdas Prabhu said that you come to Delhi.
लगभग 100 वर्ष की
Guru Maharaj Ji's age at that time was around 100.
सॉफ्ट तकिया ये खरीदना है। कितना सॉफ्ट होना चाहिए?
Now, let's buy a very soft pillow for Guru Maharaj Ji, because whenever Guru Maharaj Ji used to keep hand, he used to keep hand on the pillow. There was one pillow on the backside also, on the feet also. So the pillow should be like so soft as feather, because at that time his limbs were also so soft like butter. So when we went there, which market? Near Connaught Place, Paschim Bihar. There were so big showrooms, and each shop we are going, oh, we are not liking anything, we want softest of the soft pillow. The whole day passed, and then one shop we got so soft pillow, and it was very expensive. So Ramdas Prabhu was very rich, so he easily bought it. And then he told me that you take it in train with yourself, and I'll come later. And we reached Guru Maharaj Ji, and so many other things were also there. Not just one pillow, but also there were so many other things as well. And we took all the things, and from Purushottam Express, from train, we came to Puri. Ramdas Prabhu also reached by flight. Now, getting into the room of Guru Maharaj Ji, we started removing, without even telling him, we started removing the old pillows, and we are applying all the new, softest pillows. Guru Maharaj Ji is saying like this, oh, what these guys are doing, what these people are doing. Now, Madhapriya Prabhuji told to Guru Maharaj Ji that Guru Maharaj, and in front there was Ramdas Prabhu. So, Prabhuji told Guru Maharaj Ji that, Guruji, this Ramdas Prabhu actually brought such nice and expensive items, pillows for you. We were actually very excited, thinking that Guru Maharaj Ji will become very satisfied and happy and bless us. But Guru Maharaj Ji started crying. Tears started falling from his eyes, and from his lotus mouth what came out? He is saying that on the ground floor, my Thakurji, Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, Sudarshan, Chakra and Radha Madan Mohanji, they are living in a small hut, and it's not having a proper ceiling of there is just cement ceiling from where even the water drops leaks from the ceiling. My Thakurji is in so much hardship, and me, who is the dog of my Thakurji, I am the dog. And for the dog, you wasted so much wealth. You actually destroyed all this wealth. Nobody actually thinks about my Jagannath Ji. Nobody actually takes care of my Madan Mohan Ji. I want that his nice temple should be established. My Thakur Ji, Madan Mohan, Radha, Madan Mohan, Jagannath Ji. Instead of focusing on them, you have wasted so much of your wealth on this dog of theirs. Guru Maharaj Ji started crying. He didn't become satisfied and happy. And then all the devotees together, they became so much inspired. And on the banks of the ocean, they established a beautiful temple for Jagannath Ji, for Radha Madan Mohan Ji. It was the desire of Guru Maharaj Ji that a new temple should be established where Thakur Ji should be there. That temple should not be established for our happiness. Thakur Ji's preaching should happen, their service should happen nicely. People should come and have their darshan, get the teachings. So who is the center of that? Shri Thakur Ji only. Today, Radha Madhav Ji is leaving from this place. And regarding that, I just remembered Guru Maharaj Ji's this pastime, that how Radha Madhav Ji also, he actually wandered at so many different places, different sectors. Some time back, me and Sanjay Prabhu used to whole day go to property dealers to get some property, and always Sanjay Prabhuji used to say, when we are just getting tired after whole day of wandering to property dealers, our Prabhuji says that, oh, there is one more, let's go to one more. So we don't understand that what is this pastime, that how Shri Radha Madhav Ji, from his own desire, so many of these, there are devotees here by whose help and contribution Radha Madhav Ji's fixed place has been established, and he will not be going anywhere from there. So the time for which we have been waiting for so long, for so many years, it's been like 14-15 years. Now that is getting fulfilled. Now Prabhuji will speak. Govind Dev Ji left from Vrindavan to Jaipur. Radha Madan Mohan Ji left Vrindavan and went to Karoli. And Vinodi Lal Ji, everyone went to Jaipur. So it's all the desire of Thakur Ji. So Thakur Ji is like, he is the one who just do whatever he likes. So to get the service, to accept the service of Jai Singh, the king, Thakur Ji reached Jaipur. So it's always the plan of Thakur Ji. There are different plans. We should not have pride. See, you can have any mood. My mood is that we should not have this pride that, oh, I did this, I did that. Instead, we should consider oneself that Thakur Ji have chosen me to engage me in his service. This is so rare. Not everyone gets the opportunity to serve. Some days back, our Vasudev Prabhu Sanjay Mangla Ji, for last 1 month, day, night, they are just continuously engaged in arranging things. They got tired, and they saw me also tired. I told Vasu Prabhu that, oh brother, it's just a few days. These days will not come again. Now this opportunity that we are getting, just relish this. When you will get again, we don't know even if we'll get more days to live. Whatever we are getting, whatever engagement, whatever service we are getting, just blissfully do. So there are so many things I cannot do more, I cannot say more. So the way Guru Maharaj Ji, he desired for this new temple, so he only actually arranged this new place of Radha Madhav Ji. With my experience, realizations, I can tell this, that Guru Maharaj Ji only actually arranged this temple of Shri Radha Madhav Ji, and our Gurudev and our Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj Ji. By the desire of these three great personalities, by the inspiration of these three personalities, this has been possible. And if in this, if I think that I have done something, then I will be the most foolish person, because I know, and Prabhuji knows how it has happened. These three Guru Vargas, and by the desire of Radha Madhav Ji, only this happened, otherwise it's impossible. How it happened, someday we will hear in detail. Before giving mic to Prabhuji, I want to say one thing. Prabhuji will finish this,
श्री राधा माधव जी का दामोदर अष्टकम
And
करके हम आरती करेंगे।
doing Damodar Ashtakam, we will do Aarti.
हमारे पास
And after that,
2 गाड़ियों में हम लोग श्री राधा माधव जी को लेके
in 2 cars, we will take Radha Madhav ji. Any one of you, please don't
आगे आगे चलने की नहीं।
just rush.
तो हमारे
It's
संजय प्रभु जी, मैं पहले से बोल रहा हूँ,
see,
और हमारे मुकुंद प्रभु, सिर्फ
we should
एक
follow
हमारे
Thakur ji. So Sanjay Prabhu ji and Mukund Prabhu ji, they will only lift Radha Madhav ji. If you ask that, oh, why not us?
खाने की एक तरीका होता
See, because there is a procedure to lift Thakur ji, and if the procedure is not right, then there can be some problems. So please don't mind that you are not told, you are not asked to lift,
है, कैसे उठाना है,
because they know how to lift.
उठाया जाता है। ये तो बच्चे का हाथ ही ऐसा हो जाएगा, है ना? ये उठाएंगे और 2 गाड़ियों में बता दूंगा।
In 2 cards, I'll tell.
राधा जी जाएंगे,
First Radha ji will go,
श्री माधव जी
and then Shri Madhav ji will go.
से हम लोग
In this way,
ये ठाकुर जी को लेके जाएंगे।
we will take Thakur ji, and also
ऊपर प्रसाद भी आरंभ हो जाएगा। आप लोग
Prasadam will start upstairs. You can start, and we will go with Thakur ji.
बोलो श्री राधा माधव जी।
All glories to Radha
इसमें जो
Madhav ji.
करेक्शन है वो प्रभु जी कर देंगे।
Now Prabhuji will do the correction in this.
हम लोग सभी लोग ही
We all,
अष्टक के बाद में
after singing Damodar Ashtakam,
करते हुए
while doing Kirtan, we will stand easily,
और जिन भक्तों ने ठाकुर जी को उठाना है
and those devotees,
उठा करके सबसे आगे चलेंगे।
Thakur ji will go front, and we will do Kirtan and do walk behind, like go behind. When Thakur ji will sit in the car,
हम वहीं से अपना प्रणाम करके
we will pay obeisances to Thakur ji,
उसके बाद में अपना
and after that, we come back and take prasada.
कुछ लोग ही जाएंगे
Some devotees only will go there
ठाकुर जी के साथ में
with Thakur ji,
क्योंकि ठाकुर जी ने
and
वहाँ जाकर के साथ में शयन करें।
because Thakur ji will sleep as soon as he will go there, our Pujari Prabhu
शिलाओं को भी आगे लेकर के ड्राइवर के साथ में बैठ
will take Giriraj ji and Shaligram Shila also with the driver. And in one car, some
गुरु परंपरा के चित्रपट जाएंगे
devotees will take Guru Paramparas, photo frames, and then
जो वीर है। और
the DTs.
प्रभु भी
Then Pujari Prabhu also will take Giriraj ji and he will go.
भक्त लोग 2-4 गाड़ियों में
We will do Kirtan. When devotees will take
ऊपर जाकर
them in the car, then after that we will go and have prasada. So this will be the state.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो ओम विष्णुपादाय गौरपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमद् भक्ति प्रमोद पुरी गोस्वामी नामिने। वाञ्छा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हमारे गुरु महाराज जी
Our Guru Maharaj ji,
आज उनकी शुभ तिरोभाव तिथि है
today is his auspicious disappearance day.
और
And
बहुत सारे स्थानों पर ही
in so many different places,
गुरु महाराज जी की तिथि का
Guru Maharaj ji's tithi are very nicely actually observed.
विशेष करके
Especially
गुरु महाराज जी का जो समाधि मंदिर
the Samadhi temple of Guru Maharaj ji at Shridham Mayapur in Gopinath Gaudiya
बहुत
Math.
ही अच्छी
There
तरह से
very nicely, very opulently, in the real way, the way
वैष्णव आचार्यों का
Vaishnavacharya's tithi should be
उसी
observed.
प्रकार से
In the same
कथा
way,
कीर्तन
Katha,
उत्सव का
Kirtan,
आयोजन
celebration
बहुत
of the
सारे वैष्णवों
festival,
का आना
so many
उनकी सेवा
Vaishnavas, their
करना
arrival and
गुरु
then
महाराज जी
serving
का भी
them
भली प्रकार से
and very
आरती
nicely
पूजन भोग राग
doing aarti
इत्यादि
of Guru Maharaj
सारा
Ji,
कुछ बड़ी
pujan,
अच्छी तरह से
worshipping,
पालन किया जाता
and
है।
very nicely it used to be
हमारे गुरु महाराज जी
observed.
के और मठों में
And
भी
in other temples of our Guru Maharaj Ji, in all over the world, everywhere,
जो नित्य पूजा वो उस
his
प्रकार से
eternal
चलती है और
worship
आज विशेष तिथि
goes on, and today is obviously the special day. So what to speak
सभी
further?
हमारे गुरु महाराज जी के स्थानों पर भी और सभी स्थानों
Everyone in our Guru Maharaj's place and other places also, this tithi is followed, and that's
हम लोग
why,
तो यहाँ पर बहुत ही संक्षेप में
see, we all hear very briefly,
विशेष रूप में भी
and in a special way, we are not able to do much because for that
जो एक चित्त वृत्ति
there is a requirement of different kind of consciousness, the mood of relationship
की वास्तविक रूप में नहीं है
we don't have in real, and that's why
मेरे लिए तो
for
तिथि
me
का पालन करना हो नहीं पाता।
I'm not able to actually observe these
तिथि का पालन करना
tithis.
एक अलग प्रकार की ही उसमें भावना
There is a need of a different kind of mood, different kind of consciousness, different kind of relationship to actually follow a tithi. And when those needful substances are not present, then nothing happens properly. So,
इस स्थिति में करना
in this state, what should be done?
उसी के लिए वैष्णव
For that, Vaishnavas
के लिए दिया कि
has actually given
इसी प्रकार से तुम्हारे लिए संभव हो कुछ न कुछ अंततः बाहरी रूप में भले क्यों न हो कुछ न कुछ करते हुए चलो कभी न कभी तुम्हारा उनकी कृपा से मंगल होगा इस प्रकार की सांत्वना मूलक
just keep doing what Guru Vargas are telling, and then slowly some auspiciousness will come in your life. As everyone knows about our Guru Maharaj Ji, that how
शिला प्रभुपाद जी भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर
Srila Prabhupada Ji, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he is his eternal associates.
उनके सारी क्रियाओं में
On his words, on his activities, in his words, in his activities, all the time, Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Prabhupada,
इसी प्रकार के वचन ही
always these kind of words he used to say all the time. And
जिनको भी उनका थोड़ा सा भी कभी कुछ सुनने के लिए या फिर उनके पास में रहने के लिए मिलता वो अपनी आप से ही
whoever got any chance to stay with him
प्रकार से जुड़ जाता
or connect with him, that person naturally gets connected to Prabhupada Ji very strongly, very nicely.
एकदम से उनका जैसे गुरु के लिए कहते हैं वो क्या कराते हैं एक व्यक्ति का भगवान के साथ में संबंध
The
जो
way
है
a person establishes a, like develops the relationship with the Lord,
शिष्य का
and
जो गुरु
how
परंपरा के साथ में
the disciple,
शास्त्रों के साथ में
as the relationship gets developed with Shastra, with Guru Parampara, with Bhagavan.
रूप में संबंध करवा
So our Guru Maharaj, he used to develop that relationship to jivas, and this is called the developer of relationship, Sambandha Pradata, the giver of that relationship. How he gives through his Hari Katha, through his conduct, through his writings, through his teachings,
वंशावली के माध्यम से
through his instructions.
जीव का भगवान के साथ में
How a jiva
परिवारों के साथ में धाम
gets connected with Bhagwan, Dham, Sparikar, his associates, with Guru Parampara, with pure conduct,
के साथ में
with pure sadhus.
क्या करवा देते हैं
One by one,
प्रकार से संबंध स्थापित
he starts developing that relationship with these kind of substances.
और हमारे गुरु महाराज जी बोलते थे इस बात
Our Guru Maharaj Ji used to say this,
करके भी रखा कि ये
and he also wrote this, that these kind of activities
सभी लोग नहीं कर सकते
not everyone can do. For example,
दीक्षा का अर्थ
The meaning of initiation, Diksha.
कि दिव्य ज्ञान यतो
It has been said, Divya Gyan Hridaya Dadyat Kuryat Papasya Sanshayam.
ज्ञान जिसके द्वारा प्राप्त होता है
That thing through which one attains transcendental knowledge, through which the tendency to perform sinful activities just gets uprooted from the heart. Now, this kind of process is called initiation. When initiation happens, what happens?
धातु कांसा उसका
A metal, an element that is copper,
केमिस्ट क्या करता है
through chemical reactions, that copper, that bronze, that gets converted into gold.
प्रकार से सद्गुरु
That bronze, the brass, gets converted to gold. In the same way,
के स्तर तक ला करके
Guru, what he does,
बना करके
first he makes the disciple a good disciple, and then he makes that disciple gold. And then he used to say
जो केमिस्ट है
that, see, the chemist, he only knows what chemical reaction he performs that can make brass into gold. But
ना हो
if chemist is not there,
तो वो उसमें गुरु महाराज जी बोलते थे
then for that Guru Maharaj used to say that Yadu Madhu means any other person cannot really do this kind of activity that he can convert brass into gold. Not everyone can do this. Now on the other side he used to say this, that
सोना बनाया जा सकता
brass can be created, converted, transformed into gold, but can wood be converted to gold? Even one knows the complete chemical reaction, still this cannot happen by everyone, by no one actually, because
लकड़ी से सोना नहीं
converting wood into gold is impossible. So in the same way, the disciple, the qualification that is there, that's needed. If the disciple has that qualification, then only Guru actually makes the disciple like bronze to gold, converts the disciple from brass to gold. So as there are so many symptoms of Guru, in the same way there are different symptoms of disciple also. The way Guru accepts responsibility, so the disciple also has to take so many responsibilities and vows. If
शिष्य वाले जो कर्तव्य उनको
the disciple does not follow the responsibilities and the duties that he has to do, then he cannot actually hope, like desire, then that Guruji's full mercy will come. So these kind of teachings he used to give to us, and for that there is one article he wrote. What's the name is Sevakir Seva Vrat, means the servants while taking initiation, while taking shelter of Guru, while associating with Guru, the disciple actually take different kind of vows in that process, and some vows he has actually described here.
सबसे पहले कहा
First he said
कि शिष्य जो एक सेवक
that a disciple will take a vow
मैं प्रतिदिन
that
मुहूर्त में
every day I will leave my bed
कृष्ण और श्री
in Brahma Muhurat,
करों के चरण कमलों का स्मरण करो
and I will remember Shri Krishna and the associates of Krishna's lotus feet.
जब तक मेरा शरीर
This will be my
और मेरी
eternal duty
काम करती है
till the time my body and my mind, my intelligence is working. If I become mad, if my body becomes paralyzed, then that's not in my hand. But till the time my body, my mind is working, what I will do till that time? I will every day leave my bed at Brahma Muhurat and worship and remember the lotus feet of Krishna and his associates. Second, every day after performing my regular bathing and passing stool activity,
द्वारा प्रदत्त जो इष्ट मंत्र है
the mantra that is given by my Guru,
इष्ट मंत्र का जप करो
I will chant those Isht mantra, I will worship that, I will remember, I will meditate on those mantras, and I will perform kirtan of Guru Varga's writings, and I will read Bhakti Grantha. This is the vow that the disciple takes.
गुरु के द्वारा प्रदत्त मंत्र का
This is the second vow, that I See, mantra was given by my Guru Maharaj. Why he actually gave mantra? Why? Because by chanting those mantras, I will worship the Lord and I will meditate on the lotus feet of my Lord. And I will perform different kirtan and I will read bhakti scriptures, granthas. The third vow is every day I will, as per the instructions of Guru Dev, the fixed number of rounds, the fixed number of japa I will chant, and I will not show any kind of laziness in that. I will not disrespect that. I will surely complete. And then, by disrespecting the holy name provided by Guru, I will never accept any water. That means eating or drinking and actually making the mouth contaminated. I will never do like that. Every day, with pure mind, with pure mouth, one have to actually serve the Lord. And then every day, with a fixed number of in a fixed number of amount, I will pay pranam to the Lord and to the associates of the Lord. For example, the Goswamis, they used to do Sankhya Purvak Naam Gan Natibhi. They do fixed number of rounds, fixed number of pranam, obeisances, and they used to regularly chant and sing the glories of the Lord. So in the fixed number of ways, I will perform obeisances. And every day at particular time, whatever are my assigned duties and services, I will do. My duties, my services will be assigned, and what I will do, I will consider that as my responsibility and do it as my duty. And then third is the later that Shri Gurudev, who is providing me Diksha in this world or that world, he is my only and only well-wisher. He is my real well-wisher. He is my real friend. And by the mercy of Shri Gurudev, one attains the mercy of the Lord. So he will accept this and he will experience this and he will try his best to follow these things very nicely, and he will have this in mind that by the dissatisfaction of Guru, there is no way of deliverance of disciple. So the disciple should not do anything through which the Guru will become dissatisfied and unhappy. When Shri Hari gets upset, then Guru can protect. But if Guru gets upset, then what happens? Even the Lord gets upset from that person. There is no one in the world who can protect that person. By Gurudev's unhappiness, all the sadhan, bhajan of disciple, whatever he do, all the thing become completely fruitless. Our Gurudev also, he used to speak these kathas again and again. As when we add ash on ghee, the ghee becomes completely destroyed and useless. In the same way, if Guru's satisfaction is not taken care of, thinking that, oh, I am doing my Harinam, I am doing everything nicely, so it is like adding ghee in the ashes. It becomes completely useless and waste. So all the sadhan, remembering, performing kirtan, everything, all the sadhana, it should only be done for the happiness of Guru. See, my Guru Maharaj has told that do this fixed number of rounds, fixed number of obeisances, wake up early in the morning and do this. If I will do this, my Guru Maharaj Ji will become very satisfied from me. So like this, a person, what he will do? For the satisfaction of Shri Guru, he will perform all the activities. Lord is becoming satisfied or happy with me or not,
उनकी सेवा
I
करने
don't
से
know.
मुझे नहीं पता।
I don't know if he is
गुरु ने
getting
मुझे
happy and
कहा है,
satisfied.
इसलिए
But
मैं
because
करूंगा।
Guruji has said,
गुरु
Gurudev
देखकर
has said,
प्रसन्न
that's why
होंगे।
I will do.
अपने
And
आप
when
गुरु
Gurudev
मानकर
will
चलो
become
भाई,
happy,
यस्य
naturally the
प्रसादात्
Lord will become
भगवद्
happy.
प्रसादात्।
Yasya prasadat
इसलिए
bhagavat
बोले ना कि
prasado.
सही
That's why it
व्रत
has been
सही
said,
तप
say
सही
vrat,
मोर
say tap,
मंत्र
say
जप
more mantra
सही
jap,
मोर
say
धर्म
more
कर्म।
dharma karam.
पहले जो नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर जी
Shri
ने लिखा
Narottam
रूप
Das
गोस्वामी
Thakur
जी के लिए,
has written for
वही की वही बात उन्होंने लिखी। जो
Rupa
वही क्या है,
Goswami.
प्रत्येक संत
That
शिष्य के
same
लिए,
thing is actually
प्रत्येक
the
संत
words
गुरु के प्रति
for
यही
every
भावना।
disciple. The
सही
disciple
व्रत
should have
सही
same mood
तप
for
सही मोर
his own guru.
मंत्र जप
Say vrata,
सही
say
मोर
tapa, say
भजन
more mantra
पूजन।
japa, say
इस
more
प्रकार
bhajana
की
pujan.
जो ये गुरु की
This
उपदेश
kind
वाणी
of
है, गुरु
instructions
की
and
उपदेश
teachings
वाणी को
of
भली
Guru,
प्रकार से ध्यान से श्रवण करूंगा।
I will
उनके भजन
nicely
आचरण का
hear,
पालन
I will
करूंगा।
follow his
उनके
words,
भजन का
I
आदर्श
will
क्या है,
follow the
उनकी
standards of his
उपदेश वाणी
bhajan.
क्या
What
है,
are the standards
वही
of his
पालू,
bhajan? What are
वही
his
उनका भजन
instructions?
का
What are his
आदर्श,
teachings?
वही मेरे
What
लिए
are
क्या
his
होगा,
conduct?
उसी का ही
All
अनुसरण
those things,
ग्रहण करना।
taking shelter
उसी के
of that,
अनुसार चलना
following
मेरा
that,
व्रत है, मेरा
that's
तप है,
my
मेरा
wow,
मंत्र जप
that's
है, मेरा
my
धर्म है,
austerity,
मेरा
that's my
कर्म है।
dharma, that's
यही
my karma.
विचार अनुशीलनीय
This
है।
kind of
श्री हरि गुरु
understanding
वैष्णव
is
द्वारा
necessary.
उपदिष्ट उपरोक्त विचार को मैं सदैव
So
भली भांति
these
धारण
kind of
करूंगा और
understandings
इसका
I will for
निष्कर्ष
sure very
समझ लूंगा
nicely accept
कि
in my
श्री गुरु
heart, and I
यदि
will
श्री गुरुदेव
understand the
मेरे
essence of
द्वारा
it, that
आर्जित
if
क्रियाओं से
Shri
प्रसन्न नहीं
Guru
हुए
Dev is
तो
not
ऐसा का साधन
satisfied with
भजन
my
व्यर्थ चला जाएगा।
activities,
अतएव मुझे
my
उनकी
any
इच्छा
kind of
अनुरूप
thing,
ही
then
सब
all my
साधन भजन
sadhan
करना
bhajan will
है।
become
जो भी
fruitless, will
साधन
become
भजन
waste. So
करते
I
हैं
want to do all
उसको भी
sadhan bhajan
अपने मन
as
के
per the desire of my Guru
मनगढ़ंत
Maharaj.
भावनाओं से नहीं करते
The sadhan
और
bhajan
वो
also is
मनगढ़ंत
not
गति
done
की
by one's
वस्तुएं
own
नहीं
mental
है। जैसा
speculated
गुरु
ways.
पाद पद्म उपदेश करते हैं,
The way Guru
उनकी
Pad
इच्छा
Padma
अनुरूप ही साधन
actually
भजन करना
teaches
पड़ता
us,
है,
he gives us
अन्यथा
the
एकदम ही ऐसा कहलाना पड़ता है।
knowledge and understanding.
परम
Otherwise, if we just do
मंगलमय
it by our
श्री
own
गुरुदेव
whimsical
द्वारा
attempts
मेरे
and
मंगल हेतु
understandings,
मुझ
then
पर किए गए
that will be
शासन को
like
मैं
Eklavya.
सर्वदा ही
We will
पुरस्कार
not
के
become a
रूप में
true
ग्रहण
disciple.
करूंगा। कह रहे अगर मेरे गुरु महाराज जी मेरे ऊपर
Saying that
शासन
if
करेंगे,
my Guru Maharaj Ji
मेरे
will
को
chastise me,
डांटेंगे,
if he
फटकारेंगे, अगर
chastise
मेरे को
me,
थप्पड़
if he
लगाएंगे,
just
मेरे
slap
संतुष्ट
me,
होएंगे,
if he gets
सब
upset with
प्रकार की
me,
वस्तुओं में मैं क्या
in
करूंगा,
all kind of
उनके इस
situations, what I
शासन
will
को
do,
पुरस्कार
I
मानूंगा
will
और
consider
बदले
that
में मैं
chastisement as
सब
a
समय
great,
उस
great
वस्तु को
reward,
उस वचन के
and all
अनुसार
the
अगर
time
सुधार
I will
करूंगा, ना
correct
कि उनको
myself
कहूंगा कि
as per
क्यों
his
मेरे साथ
words,
ऐसा व्यवहार
instead of
करते
saying
हो।
that why you are
और
chastising me.
मैं जो कुछ भी साधन भजन कर पा रहा हूँ,
Whatever sadhan
मैं
bhajan I am
वास्तव में
able to
श्री गुरु
do,
की कृपा
I
से
am
ही कर
actually
पा रहा
able to
हूँ।
do by the
इस
mercy
बात
of
को
my Guru
मैं सब
Maharaj.
समय के लिए ही मन में
This point
सर्वोच्च
I
स्थान
will
प्रदान
always
करूंगा।
keep for all the time in my heart at the
समय बहुत
topmost
अधिक होता
place.
जा रहा है,
The
मैं
time
सिर्फ
is
2 मिनट में
getting
पूर्ण
finished.
करके
I'll just speak 2
कुछ
more
उनके भी
minutes.
बहुत सारे
There are
उपदेश
so
ऐसे
many
हैं कि
teachings and
हम लोग
instructions
बहुत
here.
बार ये
It's
बात
been
सुनते
said
हैं
that
निरंतर
we
कि
keep
गुरु
hearing
के
this
ये लक्षण
particular
होने
point
चाहिए,
that these are
गुरु
the
ऐसे होने
symptoms of
चाहिए,
Guru. Guru should
गुरु
be
ये
like this.
कार्य नहीं करना
Guru should
चाहिए,
not do
गुरु
this
वो
activity.
कार्य नहीं
Guru should
करना
not do
चाहिए।
that activity.
किंतु
But
मैंने कभी भी ये विचार किया शिष्य को कैसा होना चाहिए,
have I ever thought
शिष्य का
upon this,
कैसा
that how
भजन
a
होना
disciple
चाहिए,
should be, what are the
अपने
qualifications,
आप
what are the
के दिल
symptoms
प्रति
of a
कोई
real
विचार नहीं
disciple?
करूंगा,
I will
उल्टा
not think about
उनमें जो विचार
myself,
करूंगा सब
about
अपने
my
प्रगति
standards
के
at all,
विचार
and if I'll
सभी
always
ठीक
think
है।
about the
इस
standards of
प्रकार की
Guru,
निष्काम
then is this
सूचना और
actually
बात
very
करना क्या बुद्धिमानी है।
like intelligent point?
पहले तो
Is it
शिष्य
really something
देखो, जब मैं शिष्य बना हूँ
reasonable or
बना हूँ,
meaningful? First,
मैं
one should
इस प्रकार
understand
से
and see
देखूंगा कि किसी
oneself
को
that have I
बनाऊंगा
become a
और
real
मैं
disciple or
समझूंगा
not.
कैसे गुरु के गुरुत्व
If
को
I'll not
शिष्य को
become the real
मिलेगा।
disciple, how can
शिष्य
I
जिस तरह
become,
बनूंगा,
how can I
जो बड़ी प्रक्रिया
understand
है सारी,
the reality
अगर
of the
शुद्ध
real
रूप
Guru,
से अपने
the
हृदय में
standards of the
लाएगा
real Guru?
तो वो शिष्य बन पाएगा,
If all
नहीं तो
these things that we
नहीं
discussed,
बनना होता शिष्य।
when one accepts that,
मैं
then he
आज्ञा
becomes the real
सुनना का
disciple.
भाव विचार
Otherwise,
नहीं
he
है,
does not become a real
गुरु की
disciple.
आज्ञा विचार किए बिना ही
I,
पालनीय है। इस
without
कथन का पालन
without
करूंगा।
actually
मैं
thinking
श्री गुरु के
twice,
वचनों की
Guru's words
अपूर्व
should be
समालोचना में
accepted and
प्रवृत्त होने
should
की
be
प्रवृत्ति को स्वप्न में भी
followed.
अपने हृदय में स्थान नहीं दूंगा। जागृत अवस्था का तो फिर कहना ही क्या।
I will not
अर्थात
have any kind
मेरे गुरु
of
ने क्या कर
mortal
रहे हैं,
mentality
मैं
towards my
इसका
Gurudev.
जो है
That what my
इसकी
Gurudev
थोड़ी
is doing,
समालोचना करूंगा।
if I'll just
मेरे को
analyze the activities of my Gurudev, I have faults in myself and I will not be able to understand his activities. I am not qualified. And before that only, if I say that, oh, I understand everything, I also know everything, and if I analyze his activities, then this kind of bad intelligence should not come in my dreams also, what to speak of the awakened state. So whatever Gurudev actually arranges, that is for my great auspiciousness only. That means whatever orders he gave me, whatever he do, everything is for my auspiciousness only. His words, his activities, I cannot analyze. I will not even try to analyze that what he is doing, why he is doing. Otherwise, I will develop mortal mentality towards him, that he is an ordinary personality. But no, he is not an ordinary personality, an ordinary human being. He is not he is not made of urine and stool like I am. He is the personal associate of the Lord. His every breath, his every activity, his every thought, his every understanding is only for the satisfaction of the Lord and his associates. So that's why his eating, sleeping, standing, walking, waking, everything, A to Z, everything is only for the purpose of service. And all those same activities for all those same activities when I do, they are all for myself. In the morning, I was discussing with Premdas Prabhu that one disciple of Prabhupada ji, whose name was Shri Nishikant Sanyal, his brother said to him that you also eat, I also eat. What is the difference between you and me? You also eat thrice, I also eat thrice. You and me are same. He said that no. He said, I don't eat. He said, hey, you are lying. I see you eating 3 times a day, every day, and you are saying you don't eat. Now he said that no, I never eat. I'm actually not lying. He said that what he is saying, oh, I don't really eat. I serve prasadam. He said that that's the same thing. It's just the jugglery of words. He said that no, this is not the exchange of words, replacing of words. In real, I never eat. I always serve prasadam. But you will never be able to understand the difference. What you will understand, that I also eat, you also eat. So until you don't become a Vaishnav, until you get the special mercy of the Lord and His devotees, you will not be able to understand the difference between these things. In the same way, the activities of Guru and Vaishnavas, their consciousness, their activities, seeing them, understanding them, entering into them, the qualification when it comes in the heart of the disciple while growing, then the disciple understands properly that Guruji, Vaishnavas, what they do and what they do not do. So, analyzing their activities and considering that we are same, never engage in such activity and understanding. There are so many other instructions has been there. It has been said that if my Guru Maharaj, who is full of all qualities, who is the real benefactor of my life, if I develop any kind of doubt towards that Guru, and if that doubt I just keep in my heart, instead of removing that doubt, instead of discussing with him and removing those doubts, see, whenever a doubt comes, one should ask Guru Maharaj Ji. See, we used to ask Gurudev, we used to ask Maharaj Ji whenever any doubt come in our heart. Some devotee
गुरुदेव समझ नहीं आता महाप्रभु जो है एक प्रकार का महाप्रभु के जीवन में आचरण है और कुछ कभी दिखाई देता आपका
there is one type of conduct in Mahaprabhu's life, but Gurudev, those type of conduct does not appear in your life. So Gurudev explains this properly, saying that, see, understand this. Mahaprabhu is not just Guru. Mahaprabhu is also a devotee. Mahaprabhu, see, we are devotees and we will follow the steps of devotees. See, there are some activities in the Lord, in Mahaprabhu, which is the activity of the Lord. So we cannot really actually imitate, and there will be some difference in our activities. So understanding those difference, then you will really able to reconcile this. So all these instructions, for that he has been saying that Guru is very great benefactor. If any doubt comes in the heart towards Guru, and if you keep that doubt in your heart, instead of removing that doubt by discussion, then that little doubt in the heart, what it creates, what it do, although that is Guruji really qualified or not, this doubt in the heart just destroys the spiritual life. So I will never forget this particular point. I will never forget this point, that I should never have any kind of doubt towards Guru. If there comes a doubt, at once I will discuss with him and reconcile, and I will remove that doubt. Even if I have to take 10 times his appointment, I will take. But I will never keep any doubt in the heart. In this way, one by one, Guru Maharaj Ji, the vows of Sevakas, see, if you don't really move forward taking those vows, then you will not be able to grow much. May I able to really understand just these words, then slowly, Guru Maharaj, Guru Vargas will give the potency to follow those words. We just pray that. All glories to his associates, all glories to all the devotees who are following his tithi. All glories to you all. Vancha kalparubhasya kripa sindhubhasya patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha.
एक मिनट रुक जाओ, दीपक नहीं बना सुनो, कहाँ जा रहे? प्रसाद के लिए बैठ जाओ, जल्दी है। अब तो 3 दिन छुट्टी है, कल परसों सरकार को बोल दिया था।
We have 3 days holidays. We already told the government. So just hear this. Yesterday also I said this. The way today some Matajis went sector 21C, and our Prabhujis also went there to clean. In the same way, it was just first round. Tomorrow will be the second round, final round. Tomorrow also in the morning, you please reach there 8 a.m. around. This is one thing. Another thing, I pray all of you that on 16th and 17th, please don't bring your Thakurjis. There will not be proper arrangement there. There will be fault if we get really very much uncomfortable inside our heart, and also other people also comment. So please don't bring Thakurji. There will be only Radha Madhavji, Abhishek will happen, everything will happen. Third thing, on 16th, in the evening, 4 p.m. Kirtans will start. All Maharajis said that we will reach by 3:30. Everyone is very excited and enthusiastic that Katha and Kirtan should happen as much as possible, having darshan of Thakurji and the community center nearby. From 4 p.m. Kirtan will start, and in temple also Kirtan will start at 4 p.m. So you all are devotees of Faridabad. It's your home. You are the house members. So the members of the house, they come before. What time they will come? They will come at 2 p.m. So all of you please come at 2 p.m. so that everyone can welcome. So you all come at 2 p.m. From 4 till 8 p.m. the program will happen in the evening, and then Mahaprasad. Daytime 2 p.m. you all come. At that time, I will give duties to all the devotees, householders, brahmacharis. They will do prasadam distribution sannyasis will get prasadam differently, some VIPs will get differently,
हम सब तो वीवीआईपी है,
and we are like
हम वीवीआईपी है,
we are VVIP, very very important. So like this it will happen. Those who want to serve,
रहना आपको सेवा दी जाएगी.
you will get the service there.
सुबह
Next day
17 तारीख को सुबह
morning,
ठाकुर जी का अभिषेक होगा.
Thakur Ji's Abhishek will happen.
प्राण प्रतिष्ठा इत्यादि ये महा अभिषेक होगा.
Pran Pratishtha,
सुबह 7:30
Maha Abhishek will happen at morning 7:30.
उससे पहले आ जाना.
So you all please come before that if you want to serve.
और अगर लेडी से आएंगे तो
If you come later, you will not get darshan of Abhishek,
दोबारा से नहीं करेंगे.
and we will not be able to do that again.
समय पर अभिषेक पर आ जाना.
You all please come on time.
होगा, फिर पटवर्धन हो जाएंगे.
Abhishek will happen, and then
और फिर हम सभी लोग उधर
Shringar and all will happen, and we all will go to community center. Then there Kirtan Katha will happen, and like this
कथा कीर्तन
around 2
होगा. उसके बाद
p.m. till 2 p.m. Katha Kirtan will happen, and then Mahaprasad will happen. And for that also I need so many devotees for distributing prasad, because at that day around 4,000 devotees will come. This is our calculation. On 16th there is 3,000 devotees, and on 17th 4,000 devotees. If it increases, we don't know. So we have all the arrangement. We just want your support and contribution. So nicely, see, also one point I'll make.
हम लोग घर के लोग
We are house members.
देश विदेश से भक्तों
Those devotees who have come from different places, from Bangalore, Mumbai, Calcutta, from West, from abroad, from Chandigarh, Ambala, Jalandhar.
प्रयास कीजिए कि उन लोगों को आगे रहने दीजिए, बैठने का स्थान. आप लोग पीछे से ही दर्शन
So you all have darshan from behind. Let all these outsiders,
ज्यादा से ज्यादा.
these devotees from different places, they should sit in the front. See, there are only 300 devotees who can sit in the temple hall. Then on the basement, in the basement we have many chairs, and also a big screen will be applied, and through that screen everyone can have darshan. And outside also in the open courtyard there is also a screen, and everyone can sit outside and have darshan there also. So many arrangements. Let the devotees from outside who has come, let them stay as the priority. Let them stay in the temple hall and have darshan.
ये कहना ना पड़े, आप लोग अपने आप ही मन से सोच लेना ये ऐसा है. ठीक है, ये एक बात. अभी हम
So we will perform aarti.
दूसरी बात, हमारे केशव प्रभु इधर. केशव प्रभु का बहुत सुंदर कथा सुना. मैंने कहा आज तो सजा मिलेगी. मेरे को आज बहुत सुंदर सजा मिल रही है. ये ठाकुर जी के चरणों में लगा है, गुरु जी के हाथ में भी दिया गया है. ताली बाजू बजा रहे हैं. गुरु जी के हाथों से भी स्पर्श हो गया, ठाकुर जी के स्पर्श हो गया. अभी माधव प्रिय प्रभु हमारे सब वैष्णव लोग केशव प्रभु को सजा मिल रही है आज. अब जाओ, अब बजा दो ताली. ये रहेगा. अब बस और नहीं कह रहा मैं. ठाकुर जी की आरती होगी.
Now we'll perform Aarti of Thakurji.
जैसे प्रभु जी ने बताया.
And after that, as Prabhuji has
संजय
told,
प्रभु जी हमारे
Sanjay Prabhuji and Mukund Prabhu,
ये दोनों राधा माधव जी को उठाएंगे.
they will carry Shri Radha Madhav, and whoever I advise, he only will be
ये है गुरु परंपरा.
carry all other
मैं जिसको कहूँगा वो
portraits of Guru Parampara and Gaurnitai, etc. All other people should remain behind. Nobody should push anyone, otherwise you will face the offenses, and it doesn't make much of a difference. In Parikram also we face a situation. Everybody wants to touch as soon as Mahaprabhu wants to sit in the palanquin. After half kilometer also you can have darshan. So we should not be very anxious to touch or pranay. Touch is not allowed at all. You are requested just remain behind the Thakurji as he goes ahead, and when we reach 21 at his place, and there Thakurji will take
उसके बाद आकर सब लोग
shine at the
अच्छे से
new
वहाँ
place.
दर्शन करो
And then everyone
और जल्दी सो जाओ
can take
क्योंकि 10
prasad
के लिए मैं जल्दी आ बोलो श्री राधा माता
so that we can come for service tomorrow.
जो भक्त लोग मंगल आरती में आते हैं
Those devotees who come for Mangal Aarti, whether it be Mangal Aarti tomorrow.
मैंने वहाँ पर जो भक्त लोग जिन्होंने
So I have
सारा पूजन अर्चन
asked the
और
devotees
स्थापना
who are
सारा कुछ करना है
managing the installation yesterday,
हम लोग
tomorrow.
नहीं खोलेंगे
So, but for next 2 days, there will not be any darshan possible at the new place.
भक्त लोग अपने अपने
So everybody can perform Mangal Aarti at their own residence
करेंगे
at appropriate time. In the new temple,
जब अभिषेक की
only after Abhishek on the 17th.
18 तारीख से फिर सुबह
Then from
आरती और जैसे सारा
Mangal Aarti and all the daily service will be starting from 18th morning.
और 17
So 15th, 16th and 17th for 3 days,
पुरोहित लोग जो है वो अपनी
the priests will be performing Mangal Aarti in the closed doors.
नियम है
This is as per the rules and regulations when we move the devotees and the installation of Mahaprabhu. Therefore, even we are not allowed for either darshan or any service for Thakurji.
इससे मंगल आरती हो दूसरी चीज सारी
So therefore, all the services will be performed within closed doors.
16 17 को हमारे साथ में सारा
16th and 17th we will be attending the programs, and 18th morning onwards Mangal Aarti will start. Hare Krishna.
कृष्ण जब गोकुल से वृंदावन गए ना
When Krishna went
तो
to
सारे
Vrindavan
ब्रजवासी
from
लोग
Gokul,
कृष्ण बैठ गए बैलगाड़ी में हमारी
so
बैलगाड़ी
Brajavasis were behind.
वो
So
बात
Krishna
हम
sat in the
ये
bullock
भाव
cart.
लेकर चलेंगे
So we will
कृष्ण
keep
गोकुल
this
से
mood
कहाँ
in
जा
our
रहे हैं?
hearts that we are taking Krishna from Gokul to Vrindavan, singing and dancing. So all the devotees of Braj, they go singing and dancing. In the same mood, we will take Shri Radha Madhav to Vrindavan. Where will we take it? To Vrindavan. Hare Krishna.
अच्छा बाद में भगदड़ ना हो जाए
So
इसलिए थोड़ा ऑर्गेनाइज प्लान करो इससे चाहिए
we should not be crowded. Shri Maheshwari will carry Shri Guru Parampara.
प्रभु शालिग्राम जी को
Kapil Prabhu will take Shaligram Shilas.
नंदन प्रभु और गौरताई को लेंगे
Nandan Prabhu will take Shri Gaurnitai.
आप गिरिराज जी को लेंगे
Pradeep ji will take
और
Giriraj.
विशाल आप राधा जी को लेंगे
विशाल,
और
श्री
माता
राधा।
जी को लेंगे
And Hans Prabhu will
गाड़ियाँ
take.
तैयार करो अपनी गाड़ी तैयार रखना
You should keep your vehicles ready.
पीछे वाली सीट पर ही ठाकुर जी सब जाएंगे आगे
And you should make sure that
इसलिए आप अपनी तैयारी रखो
Thakurji will go on the behind seat and keep one assistant in the front. So you should remain ready.
श्री राधा माता जी को।
Jai. Hari.
चलो वृंदावन की ओर चलो जय राधा माधव की
गुरुदेव की जय गुरुदेव की जय गुरुदेव की जय गुरुदेव की जय राधा माधव जी की जय
हरे कृष्णा